gold is showing a good price action. Maybe this could be a good potential trade for next week.
Now, I'll be explaining you why I'm bullish bias for this market. Now, my market analysis is based on a weekly time frame. Now, as you can see here, after this market hit the bottom, what I simply did is watch to the left the previous data. As you can see here, every time it gives a push, it has a retracement. Always the retracement always hit the bottom. Then it reacted this area, give some bullish confirmation, then have a push. Same thing happened here. It also gives a push, a pullback, then a push to the upside. Now, this is just a simple logic. What I did is just to anticipate again, this would be the last lower bottom of this trend, and maybe this could be a potential push to the upside. Now, looking towards the daily time frame. Now, I have already marked my support in this area. Why? Because just the same logic also, watching towards the previous data. As you can see here, it pushes this area. Again, it rejected. Try to push it again. It rejected. Now watch here. After it breaks this daily resistance, it retest this area, make this resistance as a support, then have a massive push. Now, all we have to do is look on the left. Just watching on what happened on the left side. All we have to do is to anticipate on this pattern, on this area, that this could happen again. Now, all we have to do is wait for this to break, retest the resistance, make this as a support, then enter in this potential area. Now, where are we gonna target our TP or take profit area? Put your stop loss below the support area in case if it breaks, then you're overall wrong for this trade, and target this potential structure that where the price could potentially reacts. Now, for this trade, you could have a potential 2.41 risk reward ratio. Then yeah, that's all of it.